Once more to my YouTube channel. I am J.SMART-DIGITALS. In today's class, I will be teaching you, in today's challenge, I will be teaching you how I also make use of these three apps to as well. Like, it helps me a lot. So I will be teaching you some secrets here so that you'll be able to as well learn it. And please, your work here is just to share to others so that they will learn, like they will learn as well. Then if you have not yet subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Okay, hit on the notification button so that whenever I release video, you'll be the first person that will see it. Or are you getting me now? So let me start with Pinterest. Now let me come to Pinterest. Sorry, I want to use this Pinterest to design, to recreate a font, like all these. Okay, when you come to Pinterest, you search for 3D. Okay, let me just search PSD fonts. PSD fonts, which means Photoshop, yeah, document. So when you come over here, you look for any font that you like. Any font that you like. I want to recreate it using ChatGPT and Gemini. Are you getting me now? So that is it. Okay, there is a one that I've already downloaded, so I think I'll be making use of that one. Let me look for it. Okay, that is this one in particular. So now I've already downloaded this. I saw it, Liberty Christian Worship. I want this font. That's the only thing I want. So the only thing I have to do is I have to come to ChatGPT. I have to come to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to create a prompt. Create a prompt. Let me type. Create a prompt for me. You can just ask anything that you'll be able to create. Okay, let me just type. Create a prompt that I will send to Gemini to recreate a font for me, and let it maintain the same quality and as well let it be realistic. Okay, so that is that. So ChatGPT will help me to create the prompt for me, a very nice prompt. Are you getting me now? So ChatGPT said recreate this font professionally and maintain the exact style, boldness, blah 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 blah. So I have to copy it. You have to copy it. Are you getting me now? Now go to your Gemini. This is Gemini application. If you have not yet downloaded it, you can go to Play Store. It is there in the Play Store. So you have to bring in that font. Okay, before then I think I missed something. What I want ChatGPT to recreate for me is, let me type again. I said recreate. Okay, let me go back. Please don't worry, I'm going to be very very fast here. So let me just retype it. I said copy and paste. Create a prompt that I will send to Gemini to recreate these fonts. Let me just type the fonts. These fonts. Recreate these fonts. Let me look for the font that we are talking about. God of my breakthrough. God, recreate these fonts. You can just put this apostrophe. Okay, you write God of my breakthrough. So okay, this font, God of my breakthrough, to God of my open doors. So this is what you are going to ask ChatGPT to recreate for you. So let us send it now. Recreate the desired font style and professional text design used in God of Breakthrough and replace the text with God of my open doors. So you have to copy it then. So copy it and send it to Gemini. Now before you send it to Gemini, I believe that we all know the essence of Gemini and how Gemini works. So you just have to come to this plus icon, look for the image that you want. This is 8. Sorry, my bar is even getting low. So that is that you put it there, then place the font that ChatGPT helped you. Are you getting me now? So ChatGPT, the Gemini will then help you and they will create a wonderful something. So let us calm down to see the new font that will be created by Gemini. Are you getting me now? So let us calm down. Very fine. So Gemini has it has been recreated. So that is that. You can see very excellent, right? So you have to download it in full size, then come over to your what do we call it, your photo room, and you remove the picture, remove the background. Remove the background. So you place it in. You know how to make use of this. So that is that. This is our photo room. So you have to save it now. So after saving it, you can see that we have used this same from Pinterest. Let me show you. From Pinterest to Gemini, from Pinterest to ChatGPT, then from ChatGPT to Gemini. Are you getting me now? So let us now go to there is a design there is this flyer that I was creating. So let me go back to this design. So that is the design. So instead of using this breakthrough, then I have to remove it and put the other one, which is open God of my open doors. Are you getting me now? So with this, you don't need to crop it. Rather, you are going to make use of what do we call it? You are going to make use of eraser to erase it. Very fine. Are you getting me now? So I'm going to teach you as well how to do that if you don't know. So I am going to bring it up here, then delete this one. Are you getting me now? So before then, this is what you are going to do. You know, there is some things that I have already added here, some effects. You can see them, some effects that will also help you to cover the open places. But remember that this is not the best one, but I'm kind of using this font, but this is not the best font that I'm supposed to use for this video, but I'm using this font to teach you something. Are you getting me now? So that is that. Then you have to come over to this place. I'm not teaching you how to design. This is my design already, so I'm working on it. So at the end before I'm done with it now, by the time I'm done with it, you will see that it will be very fine. So but if you have not yet subscribed, do wait to subscribe. So this is the essence of Gemini and the other one. So you can see now it is very okay now. So you just have to place it well, then use all these things and cover anywhere that you want to cover. So at the end of the day, you'll be able to get a very wonderful thing. So that's not what I wanted to teach. So what I'm kind of teaching you is how to download. Okay, let me also download another font and also show you. Okay, let me download this one, then I'll also tell Gemini to do the same thing for me. Okay, now in this one, I'm just going to copy this one that I've already told what do we call it, okay, let me just go back to the ChatGPT. So these are the processes that you have to follow, or the steps that you have to follow in order to make sure you get a wonderful font as well. This is also one of the shortcuts you can use to recreate fonts. Are you getting me now? So these are one of the shortcuts you can use to recreate fonts. So thank you for this design. If you did not get it, please, it is very simple. Just calm down, go to Gemini, go to Pinterest. After going to Pinterest, okay, let me just make use of this one. I think this one should be okay. So you come over to what do we call it, and remove the background. Okay, you can just use it like that and place it in the Gemini. Are you getting me now? That font is called, you can just place it in the Gemini. Let us work on it now. I don't know whether it's okay. Let me just, okay, that is that. So you can just place it in the Gemini. So with this one, you tell recreate this desert font style. This one is hope. Then you are going to use this one is hope, right? Hope. Then you are going to use grace. You are going to use grace. So let us wait for the results. So this is from hope to grace. Are you getting me now? So but Gemini use, because it is 4-letter word, so you just have to type it and specifically tell Gemini what you need. Are you getting me now, to be able to achieve that? So with these few videos and few examples that I have done here, I think you'll be able to do your own very well as well. So thank you very much for following up. Thank you for subscribing. If you have not yet subscribed, do wait to subscribe. Thank you.